Okay. We can shapeshift. Let's shapeshift because it's my anniversary and I look like a potato, so, and I'm gonna need to look good in 5 minutes. Woo. Ah. Wah. Burning my eye. I need some face real quick. Wow, so ladylike. If the men find out we can shapeshift, they're going to tell the church. Where is my contour? Jesus Christ. That is orange. Cut the cameras. Dead ass. Chav check. For chavs, did we ever think about how chavs feel when we make fun of them? Today I'm boldly going for the eyeshadow. Yes, this is eyeshadow. I know how it looks. Don't say it. Okay, a questionable. I'm gonna make this work. I'm going to make it work. Am I making it work, actually? Shadow. Why? Why me? No. I'm working with it, you know? I'm making it work. Dear God, I have to charge my phone. This is enough. This is enough of, you know, this. This looks like shite, okay? I think this is a highlighter from my face palette, but I don't have time for my eye palette to, like, find it because I live in my own mess. Okay, it's a little messy, but if you look at it from afar, like from afar, it's good. Okay, I am impressed. You know what? I'm taking new ones. I'm taking new ones. There. Okay, let's take off this. I ripped something. Taking it off and my hair. And this. Done. Let's finish the video. Okay. The lights.